Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Sushmita. So today in this video I am going to discuss a very important topic for the medical students, that is pancreatitis. So what is pancreatitis? What are the signs and symptoms of the pancreatitis? What are the complications of the pancreatitis? How can you diagnose it? What are the important tests that are required to diagnose it, and how can you treat and manage this condition? So let's start. So pancreatitis is inflammation in your pancreas area. It's usually temporary, but it can also chronic condition. So the most common symptom is abdominal pain in this situation, and that stomach pain may spread to your back area, which is considered as a clinical symptom of this condition. If we talk about the anatomical position, then it lies between your stomach and the spine. You can easily palpitate while lying down. Now this organ is very important for regulating the blood sugar in your body, as well as it helps to regulate the digestive enzymes in your body. Now let's talk about the types of pancreatitis. So it's basically classified into two types, acute and the chronic. Acute one is not a life-threatening condition. It is safe, or it may be caused by the minor pancreatic injury. Meanwhile, the other condition, that is chronic, is a worsening condition which causes the scarring of the pancreatic tissues, which is a severe medical condition. Let's have a look on the major causes. So first one is a gallstone, and the second is a heavy drinking. Apart from that, there are certain infections, autoimmune diseases that may also cause the pancreatitis. Majority symptoms are the nausea and the vomiting. Other than that, indigestion is one of the major causes that causes the painful spasm after eating something.